How to share a Capcut project in mobile. Let's get started. Launch your Capcut. Here we go. Now here you're going to find all of your projects, or also you can create a new project. If you want to create a new project, click on this option of new project and create it. For this video, I'm going to use my old project. Once you have selected the video that you want to share, what you have to do is at the top, you'll find this drop down, click on it. From here, you can customize these settings first: resolution, frame rate, code rate, smart SDR. Once you customize these settings, now you can click on this arrow icon. With that, your project is in the process to be exported. Once you have exported your project, you will get this option: share to TikTok, Instagram, Stories, WhatsApp, Facebook, and other. Click on the option of other. You'll get the pop-up. You're going to find different social media platforms over here. Likewise, you will also get the option of your drop and messages. So you can use these options to share your Capcut project. Well, this way you can easily share a Capcut project in mobile. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.